Hello friends, in this video we will going to learn how to draw median of a triangle and what do we call it as. So let us first define median. Median is a segment joining midpoint of a side to its opposite vertex of a triangle is known as median. Means I will take the midpoint of one side of a triangle and that midpoint will be connected with the opposite vertex of that triangle. So the segment which is connecting the midpoint of a side and the opposite vertex is known as median. So let us see further. So we will see how to draw median in a triangle. Let us take a triangle ABC. So we have triangle ABC here, and your first part of the median is a segment joining midpoint of a side. So I must first find out midpoint of any side. Let us take side AB, in which we will going to draw perpendicular bisector of segment AB. See here, which will give to us midpoint. So point D is a midpoint of side AB. Once I got point D as a midpoint of side AB, I can join that with the opposite vertex of a triangle. So which is the opposite vertex of side AB? That is C. So we are going to join here. So CD will be called as median. Similarly, we have CB. First midpoint, E is the midpoint that we get by perpendicular bisector and then join it with AE. Same way we have AC, which has a F as a midpoint, and now we join that. So we can say that segment CD, segment AE, segment BF are known as medians of the triangle. I hope it is clear. You will see that they are intersecting at one point. Let us go for the next part of the. Now we will learn what do we call the three median of a triangle which they intersect at point G. So here, we call them as a centroid. They are concurrent lines. They are intersecting at one point G. So G is known as centroid. And it has certain property. Let's learn that. See here, that point G is known as centroid. So you will find that median get divided in a two part, from vertex to centroid and from side AB to centroid. That is vertex C to centroid G and centroid G to side AB. Let us see in more clear way. See here, centroid, that is G, divides each median of a triangle in the ratio of 2:1. That means from vertex to centroid it will be two parts. So CG will be two parts, BG will be two parts, and AG will be two parts. See here. So from the vertex of a triangle to the centroid is two parts. See here by pictorial. See here, two part of the full CD. Similarly, two parts of AG, that is of AE. Here GB of FB. So what will be first? One part. So one part will be here. See here, from centroid to sides, from centroid to sides, and from centroid to sides. So you can say that full AE is divided in the ratio of AG into GE. AG is to GE. Same way CG is to GD. Clear? I hope it is clear. So you can also say that CG is 2/3 of CD. AG is 2/3 of AE. BG is 2/3 of BF. Similarly, DG will be equals to 1/3 of AD, and so on. Okay, so I hope the concept is clear. We will see you with the next video.